Hello friends, this is Sauvagya and you are watching my blog. In this blog we will discuss how to bring dark theme in Quora Desktop. I am accessing Quora. This is my Quora homepage and I find it in bright color. There is no option in setting and we have to find other solution. So the solution I found is I went to Chrome Web Store and I found an app named dark mode. Add to Chrome. So add extension. This is the link. I will share this link in my description. In my YouTube blog description I will share. So it will take little time depending on our internet speed. So once it is done, it will work in Quora. Now let us go to extension. Yes, dark mode is there. Let us pin it. Now you can see one additional icon visible here. So now it is showing current state light, current state dark. Now refresh it. Quite interesting, it's working. So we found the solution. So no station eyes. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share with your friends. And if you like the content of this channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.